Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we have I think it's the last week of the winter festival. I might be wrong. It might be one more week. Oh wait, no, it's the second to last week of the winter festival. And basically right now when I'm filming it for me where I live, New Year's Eve, I'm pretty sure. But anyway, so this video is coming out late because this week has been really hectic, and I'm at least just happy I can try and post. In the month of January, I think there are 2 weeks where I'm not going to be posting, but they're at random times and they're not in a row. So I will be posting next week, and then I'm on vacation for 2 weeks, but next week I'm going to post 2 videos, which makes up for one of the weeks. And then I'm going to be taking the next week off. And then I have to pre-record a video. Well, then I have a video, and then I have to pre-record a video because for school I have some like really week-long thing that I have to go to. And I won't even be at my home. So, yeah, so it's going to be a crazy January, so, yeah. Anyway, this update is very short. We have Crackles cracking show jumping. So, it's just in the arena over here. And this is a great way to get more winter tokens. And then it said in the update when I read it, it said that these little goblin thingies, oh, didn't let me jump. Anyway, you're not meant to run into them. Guess we're going out of the arena, back in the arena. Yeah, so 2 winter tokens, and yeah. Okay, next we have the New Year's party. The New Year's party in Winter Village is in full swing. DJ Kai is playing your favorite songs on the dance floor, and when your feet get tired, you can watch the fireworks show by the fellow players or create your own. Nothing to wear. We have a New Year's set in 2 variations, so you could get your sparkles on dancing shoes ready and head over to the Winter Village. This New Year's party is available for 2 weeks. So I think that means this week and then the last week of the thing. Okay, I found it. So if you want to know, you just go to the arena, over there. And then these are the stable thingies, and then you can just see it. Anyway, wait, before we get on the dance floor with our dancing shoes, let's look at the new outfits. I usually don't get them because they're kind of overpriced, in my opinion, but, you know. And then they have last year's and the year before and the year before. So, yeah, you can see how much they've improved over the years. I didn't know. Frosty New Year's Fantasy Saddle Pad. That's sparkly. Anyway. Looks like there's only 1 New Year's outfit, because it said there was 2, but I only see 1. Yeah, it says, we have a New Year's set in 2 variations. Okay. Anyway, I think I just got winter magic by stepping inside the dance floor. Okay. Anyway, let's get some dancing. You just press the button. The dances are they're not the best, you know. Anyway, enough of that. Time for the next thing. The Final Flurry discount shop. Check out this shop in Winter Village featuring old winter clothes and tack at discounted prices. This is the final time these items will be for sale. Does that mean forever? No, I'm scared. Okay, check the discounted shop. Oh, check out the shop in the Winter Village. Just said in the Winter Village, and there's a million shops in the Winter Village. I don't think it's that. I don't know. I don't know. It's not that. Is that new? Oh, those are this year's. Oh, those are like the outfits that go with the horses. This is a nice outfit. I actually like that. Anyway, that's not the point here. We need to find the discounted outfits. I mean, this is all old stuff, so I don't know like what is discounted and what's not. It says check out this shop in Winter Village. Oh, the Final Flurry Discount Shop. Is that what it's called? Final Flurry Discounts, yes. And then it's this. There we go. I mean, since they're discounted, I guess they're like good. Only if you pay with the Epic Challenge, though. I don't know. Anyway, that was it for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time.